Opening scene. The 2025 Ford lineup is here, and it's making waves in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the latest updates, features, and why Ford enthusiasts have a lot to be excited about this year. Whether you're into trucks, SUVs, or electric vehicles, there's something for everyone. Let's start with the Ford F-150. In 2025, the F-150 continues to dominate the truck segment, combining rugged durability with cutting-edge technology. The big news: a refreshed design with bolder front grilles and sleeker LED headlights. But it's not just about looks. Ford's hybrid power boost engine is now standard on more trims, offering both power and efficiency. Plus, the new Pro Access tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze. Shifting gears to the Mustang, 2025 marks the year of ultimate performance. The Mustang Dark Horse continues to impress with its 500 horsepower V8, but Ford has also introduced a track-focused Mustang GTD. With a carbon fiber body and race-tuned suspension, this beast is built to dominate on and off the track. For those leaning toward electric, the Ford Mach-E is raising the stakes in the F-world. This year, the Mach-E boasts an increased range of up to 350 miles per charge and faster DC fast charging capabilities. The new Performance Edition also delivers a 0 to 60 time of just 3.5 seconds, perfect for those craving speed without compromising sustainability. And let's not forget the Ford Explorer. Redesigned for 2025, it blends family-friendly practicality with modern tech. Inside, a massive 15.5-inch infotainment screen takes center stage, paired with Ford's advanced Blue Cruise hands-free driving system, now available across more highways in the US. Ford has also doubled down on sustainability. The company's latest manufacturing processes aim to reduce emissions by 30%, and all-electric models like the new Transit van are helping businesses go green. Closing scene. The 2025 Ford lineup isn't just about building cars, it's about innovation, performance, and shaping the future of mobility. Which model has caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and news. Stay tuned, car enthusiasts, so we've got more exciting content coming your way.